Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on the Virginia Business Tax website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in business.tax.virginia.gov and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Virginia Tax Business Service website. Now underneath the iFile login section, choose your account type first from the tax and VEC option. Then enter your tax account or your VEC account number. After entering this information, type in your user ID within the user ID box and then enter your account password within the password box. In case you have forgotten any of your credentials, you will find the Forgot My Tax, the VEC, as well as user ID and password option right underneath the boxes that you are supposed to type them in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on the Virginia Business Tax website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.